If you chose not to start the Polarity desktop client immediately after installation, you can start it using the icon on your desktop or on the Start menu. You can resize Polarity to your preference by dragging the corners as you might any other window. If you have not pre-populated the sign-in information for the Polarity server, you can click the Open Sign-in Page button on the Polarity overlay window to begin the sign-in process. Using the information provided by your organization's Polarity administrator, enter the URL of the Polarity server into the server URL text box. Ensure you start with https:// as shown in the box by default. If your administrator has provided any additional port or proxy settings required to connect to your Polarity server, click on Advanced Options below the server URL box and enter the information in the provided form. Otherwise, click the Continue button. If you are using local authentication for your Polarity server, enter the username and password provided by your Polarity administrator in the appropriate boxes. If you are using SAML authentication, you will see an additional button below the Sign In button, providing the path to log in using that method. For users with local accounts, you will likely have to change your password on first login. Follow the prompts to enter and confirm your new password, ensuring you meet the minimum password requirements listed. Then click Change Password. Upon changing your password, you will be returned to the login screen. Enter in your new password and click Sign In. Your Polarity desktop client should proceed through the secure sign-in procedure and present you with a blank window, as shown here. Upon your first successful login, you may be presented with a window stating Welcome to Polarity. This is an automatic onboarding function to demonstrate some of the capabilities within Polarity. To proceed, follow the directions within the window. If you would like to increase the size of the font shown in the Polarity windows, you may do so using standard methods such as Control and Scroll or Control and plus or minus keys. Upon completion of the on-screen instructions, 2 additional blue prompts will appear in the overlay window. These prompts describe more features of the Polarity desktop client. Once you've read the prompts, click Got It for each to proceed.